Hi and welcome back to MRTV. This is the unboxing of the Pimax 8K Plus. This is the final production unit of the headset and it's going to set you back $899 and you can buy it from the Pimax website right now. For all of you who don't know yet what the Pimax 8K Plus is, this is the little brother or the little sister of the Pimax 8KX. It also sports two 4K displays, actually the same 4K displays as in the 8KX, but they're not driven in their native resolution. Instead, a lower input resolution is upscaled to 4K. And actually, this is not really a disadvantage, especially not for all of you who don't have the latest GPU. Because, well, you can run this on lesser machines and also you still won't have the screen door effect because you still have that high resolution of the displays and therefore a high fill factor and no real screen door effect. So this might be a really interesting device for quite a few of you. In this video, I'm going to unbox the device and of course, I'm also going to do a first face-on try. And all of this goodness is coming up. Welcome back again here to MRTV. My name is Sebastian Ang and this channel is all about virtual reality. I'm bringing you unbiased and honest reviews of all the VR headsets, of VR accessories, and of course, you're getting the latest news here. So if that's interesting to you, why don't you subscribe now and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. Before we get into the video, a short disclaimer. Pimax is still a startup company and they're still facing challenges as far as customer service and timeliness of deliveries are concerned. Therefore, I've decided not to make profits off Pimax affiliate links. If you want to support this unbiased and honest reporting, then become a member of the MRTV Elite at mrtvelite.com. Now let's get to this Pimax 8K Plus. Now this version costs $899. Before, you could pre-order a version with the rigid head strap, the MAS, for $999. But since the MAS does not yet still seem to be ready, this version does not come with the modular audio strap. Therefore, it's $100 cheaper and you get a $30 coupon for the MAS if you want to buy it later once it's ready. Okay, but now let's get to the unboxing. This is the box of the Pimax 8K Plus, and as you can tell, it's the same box that the Artisan came in. A very sleek box, looks really nice, way better than before. So, this is how you open the box, and let's do this here right now. And here we go. There's something to read here. It says, your vision is your world. And then on the back, you have the manual. Let's get into the box. Here on the left side, this is the power adapter. I have the EU version, as you can tell. It clips right on here. And on the right side here, we have the cable. Now for the cable, it's the same cable that came with your 5K Plus or with your 8K. So you would connect the power adapter to the cable and you will have a display port and a standard USB connector here. So it's a bit different than on the 8KX where you have one more USB plug just for the energy. All right, let's get to the headset itself. Here it is. And directly the first feeling that you get, all right, the quality is better, is way better than what we see with the 5K Plus or the Artisan. This is on par with the 8KX. It's the same housing, it's the same material, which has a more rubbery feel to it. However, it's not this kind of soft rubber, which would feel bad after a longer time. This is a bit harder. It does look good. Also, we have the comfort kit here. Same as with the Artisan and with the 8KX, it does make a huge difference as far as comfort is concerned because your forehead has way more space to rest on and it simply feels better. If you still own the 5K Plus or the 8K or the 5K XR, I would recommend you to buy that comfort kit and upgrade your headset with that comfort kit. It's just so good. You have two audio jacks on the left and on the right. And this is one more audio jack than the previous models. Unfortunately, this version does not come with the headphones that came with the Artisan, and I really did like the Artisan solution, so that's hopefully something that you can buy in the future directly on the Pimax homepage, because I believe lots of people would like to have those Artisan headphones. Here on the sides, you will attach the elastic head strap. This is the IPD adjustment wheel where you can adjust the lenses to fit your interpopular distance. And on the top you have on and off and volume rocker. For the facial padding, you can also detach it and exchange it. Simply do this here, it's velcroed on, so you can simply exchange it, which is good. All right, the last item here in the box, this is the elastic head strap. Unfortunately, no MAS, but well, therefore it's $100 cheaper and you get a $30 coupon if you want to buy the MAS later once it's available. The head strap itself is nothing special. It's a bit improved as compared to the 5K Plus and 8K. It's a bit wider, so it should be a bit more comfortable. However, it's still just an elastic head strap.
All right, that was the unboxing of the Pimax 8K Plus, and I must say it's a really nice quality packaging, just like the Artisan, and Pimax has really stepped up their game as what the quality is concerned, the quality of the box, of everything, and most importantly, of the device itself. This has the same coating like the Pimax 8KX. The only difference is here, this thing here, this looks now, well, it's now green as compared to the silver color of the 8KX, and actually I like it. It looks kind of badass, don't you think? So I think that's cool, and more importantly, the quality of the housing. Again, this feels a bit rubbery, but not this soft rubber, so this is not going to feel like strange in a year or so. This feels way better. Also, I do like, of course, the comfort kit. I've shown this to you before in the Pimax 8KX and Artisan. This is going to put your eyes at just the right angle and distance to the lenses. And well, I think they are on the right way here with the new Vision series of headsets. Unfortunately though, yeah, now I get it. I don't really like this kind of elastic head strap, right? I much prefer the rigid head strap, the MAS, the modular audio strap, but it seems they're not ready with that yet. So until now, you will need to make do with this here, the elastic strap. It is okay in conjunction with the comfort kit. I tried it on the Artisan and I actually can use it on the Artisan. And so this is something that you have to live with here at the moment right now. But later, once the modular audio strap is ready, you can simply buy that and then attach it to the 8K Plus, and then you will have the rigid head strap. Anyways, at the moment, as you can tell, no audio solution at all. It does not come with these kind of headphones that came with the Artisan, so you will need to use your own headphones in order to use the Pimax 8K Plus. All right. As you know, all my unboxing videos, they come with the first face-on try. Now I know this is not going to be a surprise since it's going to be quite exactly the same kind of experience that I have with the Artisan, but without the headphones. But anyways, it's an MRTV unboxing, so let's put this on. All right. Yeah, it does feel good. I think it's really nice. The comfort kit. The comfort kit makes all the difference as compared to the old Pimax models. The Pimax 5K Plus, 8K, 5K XR. They didn't come with the comfort kit and it feels so much better. And again, if you don't live in a household where you always have to change the size of the head strap, that is probably okay. If you are the only person wearing that, then you fix the right size one time and then you're okay. But of course, if you have to share this with other people, kind of, changing the size is kind of a pain in the butt. But well, the modular audio strap is going to come soon. But like this, I know I can play like this for quite a long time. I did so with the Artisan. Okay, now I have to use my own headphones. That is, not so great. Anyways, but you can do so. You have two audio jacks here, so for sure you will find a fitting headphone. Like I'm using the the PlayStation Gold headphone. It fits over all the headsets quite nicely, and yeah, that is quite a nice experience. I'm really excited to try this one out now. I have a good feeling about this because this can do 110 Hertz as compared to the Pimax 8KX, which in upscale mode can only do 90 Hertz. So let's see if this makes a difference as what the overall comfort is concerned. And I am really looking forward to give this the MRTV full review. Now, if you want to know first about that review and if you want to be part of the review process, then why don't you become a Patreon at mrtvelite.com? Because the members of the Elite, they will directly join me when I test this out. They will see the videos first. So for only $3 a month, one adult beverage that you're sending over to me, you're getting like much more content and you will be part of the review process. So if you want to support unbiased and honest reviews, then support MRTV and join the MRTV Elite. All right, and that's it for the unboxing of the Pimax 8K Plus. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If yes, give it a thumbs up. And of course, now I want to hear from you. What do you think of the Pimax 8K Plus? Is it something that's interesting to you and you're looking forward to hear about the review? Please do let me know in the comment section below. That's it. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If yes, again, give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV yet, do so now. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.